Hey guys, so I am back. I got some new lights. I don't know if y'all could tell. I think I told y'all in another video, but I haven't filmed in this setup with them. So I hope y'all could tell, and I hope the light looks good. So yeah, in this video today, I'm going to be trying on some high-end designer sunglasses. And also, I'll be showing you a website where you can go and buy designer sunglasses, or you can also get eyeglasses on the website as well. And they also have a really cool feature on their website where you can actually virtually try on the glasses. So let's get into it. And I also have some dupes, so let's get it popping. Okay, so I'm going to be recording myself actually trying the virtual try on, but on my phone I'm going to screen record it so y'all can actually see what I'm doing here on the side. Okay, so you're going to go to the website, and the website is smartbuyglasses.com. On the website, you can go down to the virtual try on, and then you want to click on get started. I'll leave a link directly to the virtual try on. I was playing around with it the other day, so I had a crazy picture on, but you want to go ahead and do the video first. So you click record video, and it's going to tell you what to do. So you want to turn your head to the left, middle, right. It's probably better if you have your hair pulled back. Let's just see how it came out. I kind of didn't do that good. And then you can put a card or something against your head and take a picture, but I skipped this part and it still had worked fine before. So I think as long as you get the video part right, it'll be good. And y'all, I was running my mouth, so my mouth is messed up on here. So let me just let me just redo this again. And I'm not going to talk this time. Okay? So now it's loading my picture. And then after it's done, you're going to go to try on. So you can start off by trying on eyeglasses or sunglasses. So I'm just going to show you eyeglasses first. And I'll just scroll down a little bit and just randomly choose a pair. So let's try these micro quartz ones on. So now it's loading. And then I'm going to click on virtual try on. So then it's going to pop my picture up with the actual eyeglasses on. Like, how cool is that? If y'all wear glasses, this is a real good way to find some nice designer frames, because I know whenever I used to go like with my mom to look for glasses, it's kind of hard to find them sometimes. So it's cool to have a website where you can look at all kinds, and then you can also move it and where you can see how it looks on either side and stuff like that. So that's really cool. So I'm just gonna go back, and then let's just randomly try on another pair of eyeglasses just for the hell of it. So then these, they are a little crooked on my face, probably because I didn't do it correctly, but y'all get the point. You know, it lets you try them on and you can see how it looks before you actually buy it. I'm going to switch over to sunglasses, and I'm going to go down and just try on a pair of sunglasses. They have all kinds of brands. So let's try on these Burberry ones and click on the virtual try on. And then boom, look, you see me with the glasses on. Really cool, right? So yeah, that's how you work the virtual try on portion on the website. So let me show you what glasses I got, okay? And then I have some dupes for these glasses that I just wanted to throw in because I kind of want to see if they're really a dupe or not, because I haven't actually tried it, but they're supposed to be a dupe. Okay, so these are the glasses that I got. This is the box. If you can see, it is a Dior box. And everything on their website is authentic, so no need to worry about that. The box is really, really nice. And then also, it did come with the actual glasses case. This one is pretty big. Like, I probably wouldn't carry it in this case, maybe for traveling, but not like in my purse or something, because this is going to take up a lot of room. But it is kind of like squishy. So you could, you know, still put stuff in, but you don't want it to be like where it's going to smash them. So on the bag, it is engraved and it says Dior on it. And it's one of these kind of cases that you kind of like pinch it and it snaps closed like that. So these are the Dior So Light sunglasses, I believe. So hold on, let me just show y'all everything else that comes inside of here. So the glasses came in this bag and everything, but I had already put them in the case. So these are the So Lights in the nude color. I thought they were pink. I don't know. But yeah, then you get this booklet inside of the box. And you also have a little card from Smart Buy Glasses. It just says it's a pleasure working with you. And then you also get the Dior cleaning cloth in here. Whatever kind of glasses you have, then you know it will have its own accessories for that particular brand. But this is the Dior cleaning cloth, and it says Dior in the middle, but it is in black. And then you also have the Christian Dior little card in here as well. So it says that we certify that this article has been manufactured according to the most rigorous quality standards and in conformity with the image of our brand name. So that's what it says. So these are the So Light Dior glasses. I think these are pink, like the pinkish nude color. So this is how they look. So pretty, and they are a big frame. I love big frame sunglasses. And then on the sides, you can see it does say Dior on both sides in gold. And then it says made in Italy on this arm. And then on the inside over here, you can see that it says Dior So Light 2, the Dior So Light 2. And then this one says Christian Dior. So they are authentic. So I'm just going to try them on so you can see how they look on me. I would have preferred to get like black or like a tortoise color or something that's more neutral. But this color is actually pretty neutral for me. Like, I'm such a girly girl, and this like nudish pink color kind of goes with everything unless I'm wearing something like really bright. My eyelashes are really long today, so they're kind of hitting the glasses, but this is how they look. This is the side. And yeah, I think these are totally a vibe. I love large frame sunglasses. So super cute, and the quality is really good. With these particular glasses, they are plastic, so they don't feel like the heaviest, sturdiest glasses, but you can tell that they are made well, if you will, even though they are plastic. Like, I don't feel like it's just gonna snap in half, but it's not the thickest plastic. Like, you want to be careful with them for sure. Okay, so let me just show y'all some dupes real quick, and then we'll be done with this video. Okay, so I purchased all of these from AliExpress. I will put a link down below if you want to get the dupe. So the first color is supposed to be a match for the ones that I have. So if you can already tell, this one is more given like a creamy pinky color versus this one is more nude and a little bit deeper pink, which I don't mind because now it just gives me an extra color because I still would wear them. So you can see the frame is pretty much the same. Actually, I feel like the dupe frame is actually bigger. These are bigger than these, but you know, you get that overall same look of the glasses if you want something more affordable. So I picked up these from AliExpress, like I said, and also I wanted to show y'all the armband because the arm is not as thick either. So you can see that this one is a lot thicker on the actual Dior glasses, but you still get that look. Okay, so I'm gonna try all of the colors on for y'all. So this is like that milky pinky color. These are real cute, and these are even bigger, so I wish that the Dior ones were a little bigger, but yeah, these are cute as well. I'm not sure if the So Light one is more similar to this or if the dupe is not just completely a dupe, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the pink color. And then I also got the white. I think it did come in a few other colors as well that I didn't pick up, like blue I think, but this is the white ones. And I needed a pair of white sunglasses. I feel like I really didn't have any, and I thought these would be real cute. So these are the whites. And y'all, it's really hard to try these on because my lashes are long, but these are cute. And then I also, of course, got them in the black because you can never go wrong with a black pair of glasses. So these are the black ones. And I've worn the black ones out like one time. So yeah, these are the black ones. Real cute. And then lastly, I also got the tortoise color, because this will go well with like nude outfits, or you know, just anytime if you don't want to wear black. These are nice and neutral because they kind of have that brown, tan, and black going through them. So I like tortoise sunglasses as well. So these are the last ones. And the dark colors give a very chic vibe. The other colors are a little bit more sporty and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, definitely check out Smart Buy Glasses if you are looking for any designer frames as far as sunglasses or eyeglasses. And if you want to get this dupe of the sunglasses that I got, I will have that listed down below for you as well. And thank you, dolls, for watching. Bye, dolls.